In today's video, I'll show you how to select multiple elements in Canva. This trick is really useful when you want to move, resize, or adjust several items at once without having to edit them individually. Let's get started. First, open up your Canva project. Take a quick look at the different elements on your canvas. Text boxes, images, shapes, or icons. These are the items you'll be selecting. To select multiple elements at once, click and hold your mouse button in an empty space near your elements, then drag across them. You'll see a translucent selection box appear. When you release the mouse, all the items inside that box will be selected together. But what if your elements are far apart and you don't want to select everything in between? Easy. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click each element one by one. They'll all stay selected together. Once multiple elements are selected, you can drag them as a group to a new spot on your canvas. You can also resize them together by pulling from the corner handles. Canva also gives you smart alignment guides. When you move selected elements, you'll see pink lines appear to help keep everything perfectly aligned. For more precise adjustments, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the selected items. This works great for fine-tuning spacing. Selecting multiple elements saves time, ensures consistency, and keeps your workflow smooth. Instead of adjusting each item one by one, you can manage everything in just a few clicks. And that's it. You now know how to select multiple elements in Canva. With practice, you'll design faster, more efficiently, and with cleaner layouts. Thanks for watching and happy designing.